Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Instagram account on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to create your own Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser. It might be any browser. In my case, I'm gonna open my Chrome here. You just have to simply go to search and search for Instagram. Or you can also install Instagram software on your PC using Microsoft Store. But I'm gonna open Instagram web. Just open the first website from here. And on this screen, you have to log in with your account. If you already have any account, so you can also try to log in here. Or if you want to use your Facebook account for your Instagram account, or if you want to log in or continue using Instagram with your Facebook account, so you can also log in with your Facebook account. But I'm gonna create a new account here. Just click on new account, and you just have to enter your mobile number and your email here. So I'm gonna enter my email here. So after entering your email, you just have to try to create a new password. So after creating a new password for your Instagram account, just scroll down and let's click on or enter your date of birth here. So let's say I'm gonna enter a random date of birth. And once you have entered, just go down and here you have to enter your full name, your real name. You can enter your real name or any of your nickname if you want to add. So let's say I have entered this name here, and here you can create your own username if you want to create a new one. So you can also create a new username, but I'm gonna use this one. Let's see. So once I've created a username, just click on submit, and here just wait for some moments and then click on save if you want to save your password to Google Passwords. And here you have to enter the confirmation code sent to your mail. So let's say I'm gonna open my Gmail here. Just open your Gmail. Here's the code. Just copy this code from here and paste it on this confirmation code section. Just click on continue. Or if you might see this type error, so it might be a network issue. You just have to reload your page and then you have to retry. So you have to enter the information once again. So there's what I show with my date of birth. So I'm gonna enter my date of birth here. Here just correct your username, then click on submit. Now again enter your confirmation code from your Gmail. So just wait for the mail until you receive the mail here. So here's a new mail. I'm gonna open it, copy the code and paste it here. And once I have pasted, your account will be ready in some moment. So just wait for this loading. So after that, you might see at this type interface, you can see that my Instagram account is now ready. So you just have to try to follow some friends or creator for here. And once you have followed some, your feed will be ready. So you can also use Reels to watch Instagram Reels here. So in this way, you can easily create a new Instagram account using your PC or your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.